I see a lot of y'all guys every day riding the same struggle bus that I'm on, trying to remember to do your routine maintenance on your machine. Well, today I've got a product that's going to make that a little bit easier for you. Let's talk about it. Welcome back, kids. I got a fantastic new product for y'all today. These are the ball screw wipers made by Steve Dash at DashMade Woodworking on Etsy. Y'all may remember Steve. He was the one that made my original tool setter when I first got my Onefinity Elite Foreman. And that thing worked so great. And the only reason that I no longer use it is because when I got the Pone CNC ATC, I had to switch over to their tool setter at that time. So if it wasn't for that, I'd still be using Steve's tool setter. It's that good. And he's also the one that made the easy button that you've seen on my Masso, the little 3-button deal there. That thing is also awesome. And he just has all kinds of stuff on his Etsy store for mainly Onefinity CNCs and the Masso. He has other stuff too, but just go on his Etsy page there and check that out. I've got a 10% affiliate link in the description below. Save 10% on anything you buy from him. So y'all check him out. He is a good guy and he will do you right. I guarantee you that. So this is what you get in the package. When you order them, you'll get 3 of these brushes. And you'll notice these are a little different. There's different configurations depending on the Onefinity Elite machine that you have. For example, this is what he calls the V6 for right now. And that one, he had to make this little arm here more narrow because the machine wouldn't home with this thicker one, with the thicker arm over here. So, but this one, it works for different Onefinity machines. So he'll have it set up in his Etsy store. You'll just go in there and choose which machine you have and pick, and that will determine which style of brush that you need. But anyway, you get 3 brushes, 3 screws, and you also get these little plastic plugs, which are genius. The reason he included those, instead of having 2 screws for each one, once you get to installing these things, you'll realize that the left, where the left screw would go, is difficult to get to on all of them except for the right Y rail. It's not too big of a deal, but it's just so much simpler. You just stick this plug in here. You do that first, which I did not do in the video you're going to see. I figured that out later, but go ahead and stick your plug in here and seat it fully. And then when you put this on your machine, that plug is going to hold it in place while you get around here to put that screw in right there. So it really is a fantastic design. And like I said, it works. I have had these here for a couple of weeks and had plenty of time to try them out, and they really do work. So I highly recommend these. And I should also mention it comes with extra brushes as well. So when you get the kit, you are set up, and he's got a real nice product put out here. So now let's move over to the machine, and I'm going to show you how I installed these. All right, let's give this a shot. Put the brush in here above the ball screw. Get the hole lined up. I'm going to put my bolt on this side since how it's easier to access. And then I'm going to put the little plug over here on this other side. Ooh, gonna take a little persuasion to get that in there. But it just so happens I got what I need. Just gonna use this little punch. Doohickey. Well, I think it's probably easier to put that plug in there first. But too late now. I done started this way. Alright, I felt it seat that time. Now I'm going to bring y'all over here on this side and show you a new tool that I recently discovered. I don't know how I made it 61 years without this. Let me show you. So these are Allen wrenches or hex keys, whatever you want to call them, or Allen wrenches here in the South. But these are ball end. And you talk about handy, especially doing what I'm fixing to do here. But they're a ball end on both ends. That way your Allen wrench don't have to be straight in line with the bolt that you're tightening or loosening. Check this out. Alright, I've got the 4mm here. And watch this. You know, we're just going to pretend. I mean, I could move this forward or back and I could hit this, straight on. But since I don't have to, and I'm going to demonstrate this wrench, but how it works is you just put it in there and you can pull it over here, a pretty good angle and still tighten up the screw. How cool is that? Got these on Amazon. They're available on my Amazon storefront in the description below. I've got all kinds of good stuff in there. Y'all check that out. There's no discounts, but I make a little bit off of it because they are affiliate links, and it'd be a great way to help the channel. So I appreciate y'all for considering that. So anyway, I'm gonna try it for a few days before I finish this video, and then I will let y'all know. But anyway, let's go ahead and add it to the other two ball screws. We'll go to the X gantry now. All right, we're at the X gantry, and I'm going to try a little different this time. I have already put the plug in that one side, so I'm thinking that's going to make it easier to install these. So let me get to it. Get back over here.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well,
would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
There it is. Get it started. There it goes. All right, now use my handy dandy ball end hex key wrench or Allen wrench. All right, that's snug. Let me check that plug side. I'm gonna say that's good. Excellent. All right, now the one I've been dreading is the left wire rail. That's gonna be tough, but we can handle it. All right, this is the left Y rail right behind the Masso, and I have pre-installed that plug. Every one of mine, I put the plug on the left side if you're looking at it like this. So that worked best for me. So let's get this thing in there. Plug seated somewhat. If I can find it. Let's see. Oh. All right. Let's see if I can get this one going. Hey, just letting y'all know right quick, YouTube really loves it whenever y'all comment on my videos. And they're also pretty cool with it whenever you like and subscribe. And I like all of those things too. So y'all go ahead and do that right now while you're thinking about it. Yep. It's always the same 2 or 3 guys, and I'm looking at y'all. Y'all did not hit that like button yet. Go ahead and do that. There it went. Right in there. All right. That wasn't too bad. All 3 of them are installed. I'm going to run them for a day or two to let y'all know what I think. Here's a quick bonus product from DashMade Woodworking. He sent me this to test out too, and this is the Y-Rail plug guard. Apparently some people have had trouble with their plugs getting knocked off or knocked loose or broke or whatever, so he designed this thing to keep that from ever happening again. And there's different models of this, like the one that fits my Elite Foreman does not fit like the Elite Woodworker. So when you order these, you'll have to, again, select which machine you're running so you can get the right guards. Just another cool item to keep your Onefinity CNC safe and functioning. I really think y'all are going to like these little ball screw wipers. It's just one less thing to worry about on your machine. And if you're interested in more Onefinity Elite mods and tips, check out this playlist right here. I have a lot of videos that have covered everything I've ever did to my machine. So y'all check that out, and I'll see you on the next video.